Good morning, Kaki. Sabi niya, Daddy. Okay, wait. Wait. Here's my surprise. Okay. Now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, don't open your eyes. How do you like it? How do you like it? Wow, and there's another one. Mommy. Close your eyes first again. Again. Okay, open your eyes. It's Elsa again.